Sugar, sweet, tempting, and all too prevalent in our diets. But what are the real consequences of our love affair with sugar on our health? The sugar trap is all around us. Added sugars sneak into processed foods, even those that don't taste sweet. Excessive sugar intake is linked to a host of health issues. It's a driving force behind the obesity epidemic. Elevates the risk of type 2 diabetes. Impairs heart health by raising bad cholesterol levels. Leads to dental decay, a common and preventable problem. Start by looking through the label lens. Beware of hidden sugars, often camouflaged under various names. Know your daily sugar limit and stick to it. Differentiate between natural sugars in fruits and added sugars in processed foods. It's time to make a healthier choice. Choose whole foods over processed ones. Reduce sugary drink consumption and opt for water or unsweetened alternatives. Enjoy sugary treats in moderation as occasional indulgences. Cook at home to control ingredients and sugar content. Sugar may be sweet, but your health is sweeter. Be aware, make informed choices, and savor a healthier, sweeter life.